Meet Robert. He's a busy executive, running a growing company, always on the go, and constantly juggling multiple responsibilities. From the moment he wakes up, Robert's inbox is already full, his calendar packed with meetings, and his phone buzzing with urgent client requests. Every day, he feels like he's drowning in tasks, answering emails, scheduling back-to-back meetings, doing admin tasks, and managing his team. Yet, there's always more to do, and not enough hours in the day. One particularly exhausting day, Robert thought, there has to be a better way. That's when he discovered Connexperts virtual assistants. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, Robert now has a dedicated, skilled Connexpert by his side. His emails? Managed. His calendar? Organized. Meetings are scheduled without overlap, travel arrangements are flawless, and he no longer has to worry about the little details. With 40 hours of virtual assistant services each week, Robert's Connexpert takes care of the things that used to bog him down, working on his time zone, keeping everything running smoothly, and ensuring Robert has time for what really matters, making strategic decisions and growing his business. If you're like Robert and feeling overwhelmed, it's time to take control of your time. Let Connexperts be the support you need to focus on what drives your success. Reach out today and see how our virtual assistants can make your life easier.